Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create and manage user roles on ASANA teams, a crucial skill for effective team collaboration. Now let's start with creating user roles. ASANA makes this simple. First, navigate to the User Management section in the ASANA Admin Console. Here you can see all your team members and their current roles. This is where we control who can do what within your ASANA teams. It's important because it helps maintain a well-structured workflow. Next up, click on the Add User button. Input your team member's email and assign them a role. This could be either a member or a guest, depending on their tasks and responsibilities within the team. The reason we do this is to ensure everyone has access to just the right tools and information. As a quick note, members typically have full access, while guests have restricted access. Once you've assigned the role, hit Invite. The user will receive an invitation to join your team in ASANA. Now that we've done that, it's crucial to remember that you can always change these roles later, giving you flexibility as your team evolves. Now let's talk about managing user roles. To change a user's role, go back to the User Management section. Find the user, click on their current role, and select the new role from the drop-down list. This helps us because it allows you to quickly adapt to changes in your team's structure or responsibilities. Finally, to remove a user, locate them in the User Management section. Click on their name and select Remove. Remember, only do this when necessary, as this action is irreversible. So there you have it. Creating and managing user roles on ASANA teams is a vital step in ensuring a smooth, efficient workflow. It's all about assigning the right roles to the right people and adapting as your team grows. And that's a wrap. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively manage your ASANA teams. Until next time, keep those projects running smoothly.